Hey guys, what's up? Today it's a very rainy day. I find the weather very incremental, so just staying indoors. I thought of going out for an outdoor location shooting, but because of the bad weather, I'm stuck inside. I'll just show you how it looks like outside, and it looks like this in the outside. This is what I'm facing today. It's raining heavily. One vehicle coming. Oh, it's drizzling. The situation is somewhat like this. So these vehicles are also coming with the headlight on. Two cars in a row and one eco also. It's raining too hard. The sky looks white rather than blue. So let me get inside before I get too much weight. As you can see, I'm doing a little bit of furniture works. Bike is just standing by idly because of the rain. I kept some wood today. I cut this. I thought I'll make a small stool. Those are for the legs. Yeah, I cut some wooden timbers. I kept it there. So I'll be preparing a rack as well as a stool. Tomorrow I'll continue the work. They say when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. What I mean to say is that the weather is bad. However, or rather, let me say, nevertheless. So weather is not an excuse. I cannot sit idly just because of the rain. There is one rhyme in our nursery school we recites. Rain, go away. Little Johnny wants to play, but old play and not works make Johnny an irresponsible person. So just to occupy my time, I keep doing small bits of work. I'm doing some furniture works. So once I've done and completed the works, I'll show you the finishing of my workmanship. Tell them, keep good cheers and adios for now. See you. Bye. Till the next vlog.